Okay, still on the ultimate love matter, there's a trending gist right now on social media. A lady has come out to shade Rosie online, releasing screenshots to that effect. The Rosie said, Rosie is a rejected prostitute. She fucks every man in her street. Breaking news, Kachi's mom rejects Rosie. That's what the lady said. The lady's name is Oluwapelumi Standard. Okay, a lady on Facebook believed not to be a fan or lover of Rosie and Kachi posted on Facebook in an attempt to shade Rosie publicly. The Ultimate Love star Rosie and Kachi, who met on the Ultimate Love platform and also emerged winners, but because Rosie had said everything about her on this platform, including the fact that she is a mother of 2 children, because of the fact that Rosie confessed to Kachi on the Ultimate Love platform that she had 2 children out of wedlock for 2 different men, has made this lady to shade her on a public platform, Facebook. Not forgetting that even Kachi is aware of this and has accepted to take her and love her the way she is, not minding that Rosie is older than him and also that she has children outside wedlock. He has engaged Rosie on the very first day they won the ultimate prize, and in my opinion both lovers should be left alone if their love is real and not at the end the whole world will know what's going on underneath the surface. So this lady coming out on Facebook now to accuse Rosie of being a prostitute is really causing a stir online, and there have been so many reactions to this effect because most of us don't see Rosie to be this kind of person. We know Rosie is a lovely person, she's a good woman, and she has been true to everything she said. And for me, I know they are truly in love, so I don't understand where this is coming from. And the lady also revealed that Kachi's mom has rejected Rosie. We don't know how true this is, and we are still looking for a way to find out the truth if Kachi's mom has actually rejected Rosie. But from their discussion in the love part, Kachi told Rosie that he knows his mom is not going to be a problem because he's closer to his mom, and whatever he wants, his mom accepts and grants him the request. That his issue or his problem will be with his dad, and that he hopes his dad accepts her, and that he prays his dad accepts her. So now for this lady to come and say Rosie's mom, Kachi's mom has rejected Rosie, it sound somehow. I hope this is not true anyway. So anyway, just stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment to get more info on the matter. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.